This is Keith doing some more welding. He doesn't want to be on YouTube. Look at those welds. Look at that. That's the pro right there. Right? You can tell because it's all the smoke. Oh, Jesus.
Looks good except where I tacked it.
Alright, so you can't tell there's a set of Mercedes seats, 300. Man, so much projects going on here. These are leather seats from a newer Mustang. We're gonna put those on. Move this out of the way. Come on. Stop moving. All right. And this is the Mercedes seat that's going to be installed. Yeah, super power seats. That was fun wiring that up. So. All right. So we're going to get welding on here. I'm going to have to put on this N95 mask because it's getting a little smoky and I want to breathe this stuff in. So, hopefully give you a video in a little bit. And check out a little bit more welding here. Get these seat mounts put in.